Blue Lock. All new working codes in Blue Look. Blue Look new codes. Pixel. We got a worse one. We actually got a worse one. Really did. That there wasn't even a color on that thingy. Where's the goals? Goal effects. So we get a water and we get a pixel. Yeah, these are so bad. Look at the graveyard one. Look at the graveyard one, okay? I'm not playing with any pixel one, okay? Let's actually go redeem every single one of these new working codes in Blue Lock Rivals. This is the lucky spins list, okay? Every single one of these codes will give you tons on tons of lucky spinneronis. Go ahead and redeem the first one. It is going to be A-C-K-E-D A-C-K-E-D-N-E-D A-N-K-E-D. The first code is ranked. This is the first code. Be sure to actually follow along and redeem every single one of these codes so you're not missing out on any crazy rewards. This is the best way how you can actually prepare yourself for the new update. Loki update. Loki soon. Loki update is dropping Loki soon. Loki update. Loki update is coming soon. So we are getting a Loki code, okay? But first, you have to redeem Loki soon. Loki soon. This is the first code. Exclamation point. Do not forget about the exclamation point. God Sprinter arrives. So Loki is going to be the fastest character in Blue Lock. He's going to be super fast. Nobody will even come close to Loki. Then we have the KU 1.5 million code. We have the AI codes right here. AI codes. This is the AI code. If you redeem this code, you become AI. I'm AI with the braids. AI with the braids. IQ. Be sure to redeem every single one of these codes. Also, boys, if you do need yourself a extra slot in Blue Lock, I'm doing these Blue Lock slot giveaways every single day. So if you do actually want one, comment down below Loki. Just comment down below Loki, just like this. You can see it over here. Loki. Comment Loki. Loki. And I'll gift some extra slots to you guys, so you will be able to have some extra slots in Blue Lock for all these world-class characters. You can choose between styles or flows. So if you do need a flow, extra flow slot, comment down below style or flow.